Hello students, now we will discuss about the chemical properties of carbon components, the continuation part of the carbon and its components chapter. The first one we used to discuss about the combustion. Okay. The definition of this says that burning of carbon compounds in air to give carbon dioxide, water, heat and light. Okay, so this one says the definition of the combustion. What happens when carbon and the components burn? It gives carbon dioxide, water and the heat and light. Okay, just have a look towards the example. When carbon burns mixed with the oxygen with the limit of the heat, we are going to get the carbon dioxide plus heat plus light. And next one is CH4. When mixed with the O2, we used to get CO2 plus H2 plus heat and light. And the next one is ethanol. When ethanol mixed with the O2, we used to get the CO2, H2O plus H and light. H in the sense heat. Okay. This is how the combustion takes place. And the next one, some common concept what you need to know about this combustion is, in your home when you brought the new products like utensils, the cooking utensils, it will be the so bright and shine, isn't it? So after cooking, what happens? The bottom of that utensils will be the so black. It becomes so black. Why? Because why do you have any idea? This is because of the unburnt or unsaturated burning of the fuels. What? As you all know that there will be a saturation, unsaturation hydrocarbons is there, right? So saturation hydrocarbons will give clean flame. So the flame which comes with the blue color, which is how we are going to call it as a saturated hydrocarbon flame. Why? Because it is a fully heated with the air and along with that which burns clearly. But when come for the unsaturated hydrocarbons, what happens? Carbon compounds will give a yellow flame with a lot of the black. You might have observed that when we burn the wood, we are used to get the yellow color. That is a reddish yellow color. Why? Because that is the unsaturated carbon compounds which do not burn clearly. Because of the unburning of this capacity, we used to get the black color of the bottom of the utensils. And then this makes sooty deposit on the metal plate. Okay, this is what I told. So on the metal plate, there will maybe a deposition of the black color. And this limited supply of air makes incomplete combustion. Okay, so you can say the definition of the incomplete combustion or in the sense the limited supply of air during the burning of the hydrocarbons, we are going to call it as a incomplete combustion. Okay, this is all about the combustion topic. Next one is the oxidation. Oxidation. So in the name itself is saying that the adding the oxygen is called oxidation. Okay, so here we have one example, that is when ethanol reacted with the alkaline KMNO4. Alkaline KMNO4 in the sense the potassium permanganate or acidified K2Cr2O7. K2Cr2O7 in the sense acidified potassium dichromate. Along with the heat, we are going to get the carboxylic acid. Okay, so this is how. See, you can see the oxygen here. There is only one oxygen molecule in this case. When come for the product, we got the 2-1. Okay, this is how. So this one, the adding the oxygen for the product, we used to call it as a oxidizing agent. So here this two, the potassium permanganate and the acidified potassium dichromate is the 2-1 which act as a oxidizing agent. What do you mean by oxidizing agent here? The substance are capable of adding oxygen to another is called oxidizing agent. Okay, this is how about the oxidation. I hope you got the clear idea.